How to get $20 Shein coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna see the search box. Type in Shein coupon code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working coupon code for Shein. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offers over there. Just scroll and check. 20% off, 30% off, $10 off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. So you will get the code, copy it, then you can click on Redeem at Shein. You will be directed to the official website of Shein. Then you can log into your account, make your purchase, proceed to checkout, and use this code. Likewise, you can also try out other codes as the process is same. Also, make sure to go through these websites as these websites will also provide a working coupon code for Shein. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.